Yung mga katraps, welcome back to our channels. At andito naman tayo ngayon sa isa na namang bahay. Dito lang sa episode ng Sugod Bahay series ng Wika Galax. Ito ay nasa Coldellman mga katraps. Kung trip yung tumira sa mga maliliit na mga town, itong Coldell is ito yung nire-recommenda ko. Ito yung bahay mga katraps na papasukin natin. So let's go! At papasukin natin itong bahay dito sa yung open house na 2545 na bahay. Alright, stay tuned and rock and roll! Hello! Good, how are you? Can we take a look around? Yes! You're Filipino? Filipino pala to eh. Yes.
Okay naman po. Are you guys from Lethbridge?
Yes, from Lethbridge, yeah. Check lang ng house.
I'm seeing this.
Yes!
For any of our scrambled showings, have you guys seen?
Oh wow, look at this. No, mga katrops. What? There's a basement, Kathleen. Let's go check this one. Ito yung sala mga katrops. Oh. Yan. Doing. Oh yeah, there's another one. Yeah. There's a kitchen.
Yeah, similar
Yeah.
to YMCA, and they actually have an event.
Look, mga katrops. Wow. Ito yung parang kusina. I mean, yung mga kainan pala mga katrops. Oh. Ito yung backyard. Hindi pa tapos. Parking pa din doon. Ang galing. Yeah. Yo.
There will be free barbecue until 5 p.m. The facility is free. It's just the rec center right across.
Let's go check this out. Oh, let's go check. Ito, tapos dito ka. Meron palang ano dito mga katrops eh. Yun. Parang suit siya mga katrops. So meron na lang lutuan dito sa ilalim ng basement. Ang galing. Yun. See, there's another house here. I mean, like a suit. Ito yung tinatawag na suit mga katrops. Yeah, see? There's a kitchen. There's a small dining area. Ito yung washer mga katrops. Ayan. Ito yung room nila sa basement mga katrops. The other room is over here. Wow. Ito yung pang negosyo. Ang galing nitong setup na to. Ayan. Wow, yung washroom over here.
Washroom 1.
Yeah, and then your fridge is over here, Dime. Open it up. Wow, look at that.
So cool.
Yeah. You can cook over there. No, it's fake. Come on. Let's show you guys. Oh, this one, yeah. The separate entrance. No, this is the separate entrance. Okay? You go this side.
No, that's the other, which is right here.
Okay. First bedroom in upstairs. Oh, what is this? Oh, this is the other bedroom. Nice. I like it here, kid. So quiet here. Kung gusto niyo mga katrops yung tahimik na lugar, piliin niyo itong yung Coldell kasi tahimik to eh. Right down. Yeah, you go shower. Hey, come here.
Where's the shower, kid?
Right here. Right here.
Oh, nice.
Oh, this is the walk-in closet over here. Right there. Nice. I like it. Yeah. Yun. Yung mga katrops, master bedroom of this beautiful house. Let's go. So, mga katrops, ito naman yung backyard nila mga katrops. Hindi pa masyado tapos eh. May parking pad dyan. At ito yung likod bahay. Wala mo gano'ng kalupit itong bahay na to. At ang presyo pala itong bahay nito mga katrops ay 599. Meron na siyang 3 bedroom sa taas at saka 3.5 bathroom sa taas din. Tapos may legal suite sa ilalim yung kaninang pinasok namin. Meron na rin siyang kusina doon, lutuan at saka 2 room at washroom. So yun. Kung gusto niyo mga tahimik na lugar mga katrops, ito piliin niyo yung Coldell. Ito, tingnan mo, wala pa masyadong bahay, 360. Yan. So hanggang dito na lang yung munting vlog natin sa Coldell na bahay. Stay tuned and rock and roll!